If your industry was gone tomorrow, would the city still work? Without residential, there'd be no homes or communities. Without education, there'd be no one left to inspire the next generation.
What if there were no healthcare to protect us or hospitality to make us feel welcome?
Commercial spaces create the places where ideas come to life.
And the public sector keeps us all connected.
Every day, thousands of people depend on businesses like yours to keep our towns and cities moving.
And the pressure's on. You need a safe pair of hands. Count on Kimpton.
From M&E and Hard FM to commercial fit-outs, we've helped businesses across the UK build, refurbish and maintain the spaces that matter since 1963.
Our decades of multi-sector experience means we're ready for any challenge.
With a modern solution and a can-do attitude, whatever your industry. Keeping your hotels heating on, installing sustainable systems in huge apartment blocks, fitting out life-saving laboratories or decarbonising your offices. Kimpton has the know-how to get it right the first time, every time.
With a customer-first approach based on trust and transparency, we've formed lasting relationships with some of the region's best-known organisations.
By investing in our people and training the next generation of experts, we'll be here for the long run too.
When you need someone to be there for you, count on Kimpton.